This is the story of two men, Jim and Tim. Similar, but different. Both love the beach. Both love throwing the old frisbee. Both, unfortunately, have lost their keys today. But only Tim has Hyundai Digital Key. Tim can use his digital key anytime his real keys aren't quite handy. Plus, he can create and share digital keys with any of his friends or family at any time. Jim, on the other hand, does not have Hyundai Digital Key. So, Jim is, sadly, stranded indefinitely. Life with Hyundai Digital Key. Life without. So while Tim is heading home listening to his favorite podcast, Jim has resorted to other means of transportation. Don't be Jim. Be Tim. Get a new Sonata with Hyundai Digital Key.